First, maayong buntag.
Uganda.
Maayong buntag.
Uganda.
Yay! Where are we going today, Muhammad Ali?
We are going to the dentist
To do what?
to check our teeth.
Very good. And clean properly. Okay. And Kalbi, where are you going today?
To the dentist.
Yes. Let me see your teeth. A big smile. Let me see. Yay! Wait. Wait, I think there's a worm on your teeth. We have to ask the dentist to pick it, okay? Yeah, they have to whiten. And Kuya Nasri, let me see your teeth. Okay, not bad. Beth? Chico, show me your teeth. Nice. Nice teeth, anak.
Mommy, can you go check the car?
Don't change the car.
How about the one?
Maayong buntag, Uganda! Maayong buntag, everyone. And welcome once again sa aming YouTube channel. Ngayon ay Sabado at dahil saya Sabado ngayon at dahil saya Sabado ngayon, kami ng mga bata ay isasama ko sila para maging productive naman yung aming weekend. First things first in the list is to take them for their routine check-up, dental, cleaning and polishing. Tama ba yun? Every 6 months. So, ayan, nakaprepare na kami. Maaga kaming aalis today kasi para maiwasan natin yung maraming tao sa hospital at mataas na pila. At the same time, merong project si Muhammad Ali na kailangan natin siyang tulungan. So, hahanapin natin yung materials ngayong araw. At sana magawa natin. Next month pa naman ang deadline. Kaso, baka mahirapan sila ni Kuya Nasri kapag hindi natin gagawin together. So, ayan, at nag-iingay ang mga kids. Which car?
That one, the one, which one Daddy was driving. Like, my friend.
Then later, you need to go and take passport photo. No, you and Ali. For your travels. With your dad.
Chico, what do you have?
Pick the
Mommy,
flowers.
Mommy,
They're trying to grow it.
yeah.
Oh no, where's flower?
That one.
You pick.
They're trying to grow. Okay. Buti na lang tamang-tama at dumating agad yung sasakyan. Ang mga bata ay well seated na sa likod. Pinasama ko na din si Joseph para mamaya kung kailangan merong umupo kasama si Kulot at si Chico pag nililinisan yung kanilang ipin. Kasi si Auntie Christine ngayon ay nag-request na pumunta ng Kampala City dahil nandun ang kanyang kapatid. Ooperahan ang kanyang kapatid sa hospital today. So, she wants to be there for moral support. Which is okay lang din. Kasi maya-maya pa yung alis ni Auntie, mga 30 minutes pa. And then babalik siya mamayang gabi. So, carry bells lang ng lola ninyo. Yes?
Did we leave Auntie Christine?
Yeah, but she's going somewhere else to see her sister. So, ngayon, we want to go out. You know, we are going straight. This one sometimes.
But those are young people nowadays because it doesn't even make
So, yung hospital na pupuntahan namin ngayon ay pinili ko malapit lang sa bahay. Dati talagang naghahanap ako ng mga recommended kasi yung mga recommended ng mga expat group ay malalayo. So, ngayon pinili ko yung hospital na sobrang lapit lang dito. Mga 5 minutes by car kung walang traffic. Then open sila alas 9 hanggang alas 5 ng hapon. And dinala ko na lahat yung mga bata para isahan na lang yung pagpapalinis. Dati pala sa atin guys, no, sa Pilipinas, lumaki ako na hindi naman binabudgetan or siguro sobrang hirap lang din namin. Hindi talaga nababudgetan yung ganyan. Hindi kami nakakakilala ng dentist kung hindi ka pa kailangang bunutan ng ngipin na sumasakit talaga or something na issue. Pero at least yung mga bata ngayon, they are very fortunate. Kasi meron ng mga insurance, na dental, and then peer pressure kasi nag-uusap yung mga magkaklase na galing sila sa dentist. So, nape-pressure sila na magpa-dentist na din, which is very good. Kasi Kuya Nasri even has a very nice teeth. But he needs to be really taking care of it. Muhammad Ali naman nasisira kasi mahilig siya sa sweets at saka sa candy. Si Kulot ganun din, kaya naku, iwas-iwas kami sa candy sa bahay. Walang stock na ganun. And then si Chico naman natutong ma-in love sa lollipop. So tara, samahan nyo kami today. Huwag nyo kaming iwan and watch out for today's episode.
Mom, they're not addicting the cup.
Calvi, we have to behave. Oh, that one is not for a cup. Si Kuya Nasri tsaka si Muhammad Ali tsaka si Chico nakaupo. Ito lang talaga si kulit-kulot, ang napakakulit. Oh, nakaupo na siya sa wakas. Yes. But you have to listen to the dentist, okay? Okay. So Calvi will go first, Kuya? Yeah.
Can you sit by yourself?
Yeah, he can. Go up. Kuya, help him, Kuya. Yeah. Wow, big boy. Someone is going to eat strawberry ice cream later.
And are you going to give me on that one?
Yeah. No, the phone?
He wants the food.
While they are cleaning. You listen to the dentist first because he needs to check. He needs to check your teeth. Tag-isa lang muna.
Yes. It just brushes. It's electronic, but it helps to clean our teeth very well. Okay.
Good boy.
More
So,
than the toothbrush. How many times do you brush a day?
do you
How many
brush?
times? Do you brush teeth? Do you brush your teeth at home?
At night?
When do you normally do?
Even at night.
When?
Even at night. Even morning.
You hear the air?
This one loves the sweets. So I don't put sweets in the house. Someone is getting ice cream after.
And right on the phone.
Okay. But you listen to the dentist, okay? Good boy.
Like that. Good boy. Yes.
Good job, anak.
Spit all of it.
Good job. Okay. One more. A little bit more. Not yet finished. Lay down. You like it? You even have a small cloth. For milk. This one is already hungry. But it's okay. It has worked. But I think
Over time.
over time, especially if they're baby teeth, they're easy. I give you lollipop. Open.
Like this. Like that. Open. Open, baby. Open and you
Open.
see.
Open na so doctor can see. Like this, like mommy, look.
Yeah.
Go.
You open like mommy.
Mommy, no.
This is the lower teeth. These are the upper teeth. You get? In brushing, first of all, you
I'll
have
be
to
listen.
have the right toothbrush. Okay?
Calvi, listen.
You must have the right toothbrush. It should be soft bristled and it should be your size. A small toothbrush for you babies, okay?
Yes.
How to brush now?
Now you know how to brush. You're learning. Now in brushing, who else has learned? Who else has learned?
What did you learn?
What have you learned?
The circular method while brushing.
Yes, that is very
Circular. And Ali,
good. And then what have you learned?
brush your tongue also.
You should brush the tongue, yeah? Oh, you also deserve a hand clap.
Yay.
Alright.
Alright.
You want to touch the tongue? Okay, you touch it. You see?
It's soft?
Is it soft? Like yours? It's like your tongue. You're so good. You touch the tongue.
It's opening mouth, brush.
Come we go.
A few moments later.
Sa wakas at nakauwi na kami ng bahay guys. Ang tagal namin sa dentist, mga 3 oras din. Ganun dito sa Uganda medyo may kabagalan pa yung kanilang mga mga procedure at saka mga processes. Hindi siya kasing organized ng ibang bansa when it comes to hospital. Pero so far so good naman. Si Kuya Nasri wala siyang cavity, pero merong parang chalky white na yung kanyang 2 front teeth. Ibig sabihin, kailangan niyang mag-brush ng maayos. Pero wala siyang cavity and maganda yung tubo ng ngipin niya. Si Muhammad Ali naman, siya yung talagang pinakamaraming problema, which is hindi ako na-shock. Kasi si Ali ay sobrang mahilig sa junk food, sa sweet, saka sa soda. Lalong-lalo na kapag hindi ko siya kasama, yung unang hinihingi niya is soft drink. Yung kinakain niya, mas marami yung matamis sa isang araw. Wala siyang ganang kumain ng maayos na pagkain. Yun yung struggle ko sa kanya sa last 3 taon na kasama ko siya. Na talagang tinatry namin ni Auntie Christine na mabago. Pero syempre hindi naman natin kontrolado lagi dahil hindi naman natin kasama lagi yung bata. Pero pinaalalahanan ko siya, pati si Kuya Nasri, na iwasan niya na yung matatamis, mga candy, mga junk food, at lalong-lalo na yung soft drink. Ang dami-daming sugar. So, ang dami niyang cavity at malalaki. So, yun yung problema. Si Kulot naman, wala siyang problema sa ngipin. Meron lang siyang 2 cavity sa 2 front teeth, which is napakaliit at kaya pang i-feeling. Lastly, si Chico, medyo nagka-problema kami kasi syempre 2 years old. Magtutu pa lang siya next month. Hindi siya masyado nag-open ng mouth. Pero it's a good thing na ma-expose sila habang bata pa para hindi sila ma-shock sa mga next na mga appointment. Though kay Chico okay naman dahil lahat kakatubo pa lang ng ngipin niya, and it's good na ngayon pa lang alam na nila na it's a normal routine na magpa-check up ng ngipin at ma-meet yung dentist. So tinuruan na rin sila ng dentist dito na kung ano yung tamang pagbabrush para maiwasan yung paglaki ng cavity or maiwasang magkaroon ng bagong cavity. So, sobrang successful. Isa yun sa appointment ko ngayon. And then, nakiusap yung tatay ng mga bata na dalhin sila for passport photo taking, which is gagawin naman yan mamayang hapon. Pero sa ngayon, magla-lunch muna kami dahil alauna na. And then, papahinga na yung mga bata. Walang kuryente, hindi sila makapanood ng TV. So, maglalabas na lang ako ng mga books na pwede nilang basahin habang nagpapahinga. So far, so good, guys. Alright, so magsiserve lang tayo ng pananghalian. Nagluto si Auntie ng gulay at saka pritong isda. O, diba? Perfect! Chico.
It's behind it. It's in the chair, Chico.
Alright, guys, lunchtime. Ito ang aming ulam. Ginisang munggo. Pinoy na Pinoy. Gawa ni Auntie Christine. Perfect. Good. Nas Ali? Ang gusto ng mga bata to, guys. Ako nga, nagkamay na ako, oh. Sorry, ganyan talaga ako, guys. Nagkamay lang ako. Si Chico may food pa, pero si Kuya Nasri, do you like it?
Yes.
It's ginisang munggo. Munggo is the beans. Yes. Then Auntie fried for us some tilapia. Then syempre meron kaming prutas dito, tangerine at saka pineapple. Meron pa pala ako natirang alamang, oh. Huh? Yeah, you eat first and then I'll get the bag. Bring me.
Mommy. Huh? Small chicken. No, I didn't hide it.
Dito sa Uganda, kapag naglalakad, guys, hindi ugali ng mga tao na magchichirya. Ang binibili nila ay maliliit na prutas and then they will eat on the way. Let's go. Sometimes it's boiled maize, sometimes it's roasted maize, but today it's banana. Give me also one. Is it ready? Nice, thank you. Oh. Wow! Indizi. Nice, sweet kuya? Yes? Okay, Chico, you want me to open for you? No? He said no. Back straight. Nasri, what? Alas 8 na. Hindi pa daw sila gutom. So, nood muna kami ng movie. Ayun si Chico. Look at Chico, very serious. Yan, si kulit-kulit. You like that movie?
Sing 2 was better.
Yeah, we watch Sing 2. No, I like Sing 1 better. Chico, are you okay?
I like when
Yeah?
the girls and friends. That's Sing 3.
So mamaya na lang sila kakain pag gutom na kasi ngayon wala pa talagang gana. Ang dami na lang kinain sa lunch. Kahit ako sobrang busog ko pa din.